Hello there everyone, it's been a while since I last uploaded because I am very, very lazy. More videos are coming soon, I promise. But today I thought I might try something different. Learning about text generating neural networks by making an AI to produce new words and definitions. So, without any ado,
Let's just jump into it.
so you might be wondering, what is a text generating neural network? Well, to tell you that, we first have to go over what a neural network is. Trust me, it's not that boring. Please stick around. A neural network is a type of AI that imitates the way the human brain learns, hence the name neural network. There are many different types of neural networks that exist for different purposes, but for our project I'll be using one to generate text. So I decided to use a version of Andrej Karpathy's CHIRNN, CHIRNN, ported over to Python by the GitHub user Sergey Lozer and a bunch of other really cool people. A link to the repository will be in the description below if you want to use the same AI in your own projects. The reason I'm using it is because it's really good at recognizing patterns in text. For example, in the dataset, which is used often in AIs to just test how they work, is all of Shakespeare's works. Now, in all Shakespeare's works, the most often thing you'll see is a character's name in a play is often printed in all caps, followed by the character's dialogue. Now the AI can see this and will learn to put a character's dialogue after it's printed the character's name in all caps. Now this AI is a neural network that uses a special technique called long short-term memory, or LSTM for short. You see, what I failed to mention about neural networks before is that they're really bad at remembering things. Like, say you have a big dataset and you train a normal neural network on it. Over time, it will forget patterns and text that occurred later in the dataset the further it progresses into the dataset, which is a pretty big problem, especially if we have a big dataset like Shakespeare's works. Luckily, our AI is an LSTM, so we don't have to worry that much. But LSTMs really aren't as effective as transformers, which remember more stuff, and I'm just rambling at this point, so let's get back to the main subject at hand. My idea was to give an AI a text file with the entire English dictionary and make it generate new English words and definitions. Luckily, I didn't have to do that much work. The entire Oxford Dictionary is online and conveniently a text file, which is perfect for our AI. So I just downloaded it and started training my AI. After about 2 hours, here's how it went. So what you're looking at here is a graph of the AI's loss over time. Now, loss, as a quick explanation, it's just a measure of how well the AI is doing over time. So our goal with loss is to make it as low as possible, which means that we're doing better. Now, for some reason, the loss value here has been offset by 1. So really here, it should be actually down here, but we don't have to worry about that for now. Yeah, we can see it starts slowing down around 400 epochs, which I would explain now, but honestly, I just want to get through this quickly so I can get on to the more interesting stuff. And it took about 2 hours, and each epoch was about 0.1 seconds each. So about here is about 40 minutes, I think, here. I could be wrong. My math could be wrong. But yeah, after about 40 minutes or so, it just starts gradually getting slower. Now, I may be stupid. I may be stupid. It's not me. It is. But yeah, so it starts slowing down. Loss gradually gets slower, not as fast as it used to at the beginning. Yeah, that's it. And over here we have this graph. Now, I know you probably don't know what's going on here, and to be fair, I don't know what's going on here either. Because really, I have no idea how any of this works. I never took a computer science course. I kind of just do this in my free time. But anyways, the one thing I do know about this is this thing called Atom. You might be wondering what Atom is. And essentially, Atom is just an optimizer created by Keras for things like text generation. I know you understood none of that, and trust me, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But essentially, this is just showing how the AI works over time. It's pretty interesting. So, if you're interested in that nerd, I downloaded the PNG. So, if you want to, I'll put the Imgur link in the description so you can look at a higher quality version of this. Now it's on to the more interesting parts. Looking at what the AI actually created. Let's take a look. I'm going to read a short selection of my favorite words and definitions from the AI. Abar, noun, also Asia. Math. Pink braid through a dull fan like a non-jerkin. French diminutive of camp. Meat fever. Noun. Pearl for recording crops and dressing. Leaf stroke. Noun. Small zipped bog. Neck. Noun. Unit of length of an egg. Measle. Verb. Can be said as measling. Find the weight of a rope, etc. by moving, walk, or a floor, a pillar, etc. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. I wanted to do something bigger for this video, but it would have taken a lot more time, about 5 hours longer than it took for this project, which was actually 3 hours long. So I would have spent 8 hours on this, and really I can't stay up all night just continuously clicking so that Collaboratory doesn't time out. Really, it's really hard, and I'm trying my best. Please forgive me. So I might make a follow-up where I actually do that. But anyways, thanks for watching. It makes my day. If you're not already subscribed, please do. I'd appreciate it. Alright, thanks. Bye 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 bye.